Next topic in haloalkanes and haloarenes is reaction with metals. Most organic chlorides, bromides, iodides, they react with metals to give compounds which have carbon-metal bond. Such compounds are known as organometallic compound. Important class of organometallic compounds discovered by Victor Grignard is alkyl magnesium halide. इसको generally represent करते हैं RMgX. This is alkyl magnesium halide, or in this compound, suppose if ethyl magnesium bromide, then in this compound the carbon atom is bonded to magnesium and magnesium is bonded to bromine. ये जो carbon metal bond है, the carbon and magnesium bond, this is covalent in nature. Magnesium और bromine का जो bond है, it is ionic in nature. Now magnesium is a metal, so it is electropositive. The carbon will pull the sigma electrons towards itself and it will get a negative charge. Magnesium being a metal will get a positive charge. Again magnesium and halogen bond. This is ionic in nature and halogens are more electronegative than metals. So halogen atom will have negative charge. Magnesium metal will have positive charge. Now how to prepare this Grignard reagent? To prepare ethyl magnesium bromide, ethyl bromide is treated with magnesium in the presence of dry ether to give ethyl magnesium bromide. So these reagents are obtained by the reaction of haloalkanes with magnesium metal in dry ether. अब dry ether क्यों use करते हैं? Grignard reagents are highly reactive and they react with any source of proton. Source of proton means it could be water, it could be alcohol, it can be amines. So it reacts with any source of proton to give hydrocarbon. ये जो alkyl part है Grignard reagent में, it combines with the proton from water and it forms the hydrocarbon. And another product formed is MgOH(X). So, for example, CH3, CH2, MgBr. If this reacts with water, then water gives H plus and OH minus ions. Now this H plus ion combines with the alkyl part of the Grignard reagent and it gives ethane, and the another product formed is MgOH(Br). मैग्नीशियम मेटल पे टोटल पॉजिटिव चार्ज कितना होता है? +2. OH माइनस आयन पे -1, ब्रोमीन पे -1. सो टोटल पॉजिटिव बैलेंस्ड बाय टोटल नेगेटिव. उसी तरह अल्कोहल्स आर सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटॉन, अमीन्स आर सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटॉन. तो कोई भी प्रोटॉन सोर्स अगर प्रेजेंट है in the vicinity of Grignard reagent, then Grignard reagent will react with that source of proton to give alkane. This can be used as a method to prepare alkane from halides. It can be used as one of the methods for converting halides to hydrocarbon. If you want to obtain ethane from ethyl halide, then convert this ethyl halide, for example ethyl bromide, into Grignard reagent, that is ethyl magnesium bromide, and let ethyl magnesium bromide react with water, you will get ethane. So it can be used as a method of preparation of alkane from alkyl halide. And why the preparation of Grignard reagent is carried out in dry ether? This is because Grignard reagents are highly reactive. They react with source of proton to give hydrocarbon. Therefore, it is necessary to avoid even traces of moisture from a Grignard reagent. That is why reaction is carried out in dry ether.